Okay, well, they wanted a test video on these DDX, Skar DDX 10-inch dual 4-ohm voice coil. Each one is running off its own Rockville DB14. This one is the master. This one is the slave. So they're daisy chained. So basically all the settings that I set over here should come over here. Each amp's got its own battery or sub, whatever, on AGM battery, wired at 2 ohms. So we should be pushing. I got like around 13.95 volts to each amp. It dips down to like 1275 when she hits hard. They're all tuned with the scope. So let's get this started. We'll be playing. This is what we'll be playing. Vibrations, the amp is not held down. I didn't want to put anything into the box. It's a sealed box. I got Skar mids and tweets. Well, there you have have it. I hope that satisfies. I think it sounds pretty sweet.